And let's dive. Next, we're jetting off to Europe, but not the kind of Europe that empties your wallet before you've even unpacked. We're talking about Portugal, a country where ancient history meets modern vibrancy, all without the hefty price tag. Imagine yourself strolling through the colorful streets of Lisbon, riding the iconic yellow trams, and indulging in pastéis de nata, those little custard tarts that are basically Portugal's national treasure. Then, picture yourself on the Algarve coast, golden beaches stretching as far as the eye can see, the Atlantic waves crashing against dramatic cliffs. It's the kind of scenery that belongs on postcards, but you get to experience it firsthand. Portugal is a country that has it all: rich history, vibrant culture, stunning natural beauty, and some of the friendliest locals you'll ever meet. And the best part? You can enjoy it all without breaking the bank. So, ditch the overpriced European destinations and discover the hidden gem that is Portugal. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. The magic of Greece. There you have it, folks. The top 5 budget travel destinations that promise unforgettable experiences without emptying your wallet. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the sun-drenched beaches of Thailand, the world is waiting to be explored. Remember, adventure doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and an open mind, you can create memories that will last a lifetime, all while sticking to your budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels!